In this video, maghahanap tayo ng murang pamasahe sa barko ng Tugo for Manila to Bacolod na biyahe. Okay, as you can see on the screen, ito po ang mga schedule ng Manila to Bacolod. So if you want to know the schedule, you can go directly to their website, travel.togo.com.ph. Okay, so let's check for the cheapest Manila to Bacolod na biyahe mula sa Tugo. For this trip, medyo mahal po yung pamasahe. It's very 1,500 plus. Yung murang pamasahe, andun na po sa medyo malayo pa na date. Let's check another date. Manila Bacolod, let's say that tayo sa malayo-layo pa na date. Let's try July 27. Okay, for one passenger. Let's check. Okay, so ito, medyo mura po siya. For mura po talaga. Mega value is aircon economy. So, ang total amount ng babayaran mo for Manila Bacolod July travel is 1,193 only. Okay, so napakamura po. So, if I were you, you have to, you can go directly to the website of Tugo and then book a ticket as early as now. Dahil na-promo po ang Tugo ngayon until April 30. So this promo is only limited and selected dates. Check naman natin yung Manila Bacolod na date. August 15, let's say August 15 na biyahe. Okay, so mura din siya. For economy na accommodation, it's only 1,227. So, if you choose a travel date na medyo malayo pa, so makamura ka po talaga sa pamasahe.